Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have a midweek video for Wednesday, June the 10th over at Walgreens, Dollar General, and Meijer in the Midwest. Lots of great deals, including a really large Arm & Hammer for $1.99. Is that the language that we speak on this channel? I think it is. It's really good savings. And before we dive into this more, the Dollar General will be having a clearance event for about a week long. It starts on Friday the 12th, goes right till the following Thursday the 18th. Lots of free and cheap items. I will link this at the end. We're going to talk about it in a couple, but an event that I think most of you should be shopping at, especially because a lot of prices of items are starting to increase at various stores. So I think it's just good to stock up, especially if some of this stuff is your favorite. We're going to start off at Walgreens, everybody's favorite. This morning we got two different boosters, a 10 back when you spend 40 on P&G paper and a 10 back when you spend 45. They don't start until Sunday the 14th, and I'm assuming both of them will stack. So we're definitely going to be utilizing both, especially for paper deals, because that's what we absolutely love. Now, I did take the liberties to kind of snoop around the flyer for next week, and there is going to be a really good Nexus deal, and we have an 18 off of 2 that expires, I think, towards the end of the month. All of these coupons, high value, load them all now. You don't want to miss out or for it not to be available to load. At the very least, load the Nexus one today. Okay, the first little thing I want to talk about is a clearance find that I found when I was like messing around in the store. I found this $1.99 Head and Shoulders. And we have a $1 digital coupon that is in fact attaching, making this 99 cents. Just under $8 or it's like close to $9 on a non-sales week at the pharmacies to get it for 99 cents. It's some tremendous savings. Another deal that I think is absolutely fantastic this week, it's the 35 count of the Purex Oxy or regular or the scent-free one at 38. I think there's a newer bottle that's 35. So this older fashioned looking bottle, the square one on the right hand side, is probably the one that you want to pick up because you get way more loads, right? Because the Oxy's 29, the regular's 35, and this one's 38. So that's 3 extra loads. I don't know. I think it's just there's more value to it. Okay, just found this in the archive. These are the newer bottles. They're 35. The older ones had 38. So that's a difference of 3 loads. So guys, you know, you do your own thing. I know some of you would probably prefer to get the fresher ones, but the older bottles, especially if you're just using it for yourself, you're not going to be reselling it or anything. I would grab the older ones because you get just a little bit more. Deal that I absolutely heart this week are the food storage bags for 88 cents. This is so much better than the buy one get 2 for free. You're saving by 5 cents. And yeah, you know what? When I'm comparing 3 loads of laundry or 5 cents, if you look at how expensive things are lately, it's how you save these dollars and cents that really sets you aside from a regular shopper to like a mindful couponer. I know not everybody does extreme couponing, but it's these little things to save 5 cents. I think it's just smart. Another deal that I absolutely love this week is that, see at 12 o'clock, $5.49, that degree. It's buy one, get one 50% off. Buy 2, get back a $2 register reward. And we have this 5 off of 2 digital coupon that's attaching. Make sure you're scanning the UPCs on the back to ensure that this coupon is in fact attaching. Grabbing 2, it's going to be $8.23. Buy one, get one 50% off. Subtracting our coupon, you're paying $3.23, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $1.23 for the 2 or 61 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. These fancier Colgates for $6, the Gum Protect and the Plaque Cleanse, they are $6 each. Now, there is no register reward that's printing with it, but there's this really weird coupon. It's a 10 off of 2 that is attaching. So it's making both of these only $1 each. If you've ever been curious or, you know, if you have a lot of problems with plaque or you need something a little softer for your gums, the fancier line is really nice. I've tried all of them. So grabbing 2 for $12, subtracting that coupon, you're paying $2. If you never get register rewards, this is your opportunity to get some very cheap toothpaste. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And another deal that I'm really stocking up on this week is the Irish Spring Bar Soap, priced at $5.99 with a $2 reward when you buy 2 of them. So it's either the Irish Spring Bar Soap, the liquid hand soap, or the soft soap body wash, but they no longer sell that up here. We have this 4 off a 2 digital coupon that's attaching to the whole host of items, so definitely load this little friend. Grabbing 2 of these for $11.98, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $7.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but definitely the week to stock up for $2.99. That is not a bad little price point, especially when you can use Walgreens cash if you might have it, or other register rewards. The Puffs is $6.99. We have this dollar digital, and these are the 4 counters. So after the coupon, it makes it $5.99. If you might have like a register reward or Walgreens cash to throw into this, I absolutely would. Some people really prefer this, and for whatever stupid reason, people ask for this Kleenex or Puffs from me all the time. I don't really have any right now, so I did stock up this week. Over at the Dollar General, the clearance event will be starting on Friday the 12th, going right till the 18th, which is the following Thursday. I think if you're an avid CVS or Walgreens shopper, it's time to go shopping at the Dollar General. There isn't a lot of interest in this event because they didn't pull a lot of new stuff to be in the event. So if your store they have a lot of the stuff on a regular shelf, or it's in the clearance section, definitely the time to be out there. I'm going to link this video at the end. It's a really basic tutorial on how to shop with a lot of success. One of the items in my video was this Kellogg's Crave. It was actually in the clearance section. On Tuesday the 9th, there was a big penny list of all the breakfast stuff that pennied out. Now, I'm going to let you guys know, I never went back to the store. There was like 3 boxes of this. I thought another penny shopper that might be able to eat this, they should find it, because I certainly can't, being a type 2, to have this stuff in the house. So I just left it there for them. I didn't even go back, but it's all breakfast stuff. Check those expiry dates. That's the one thing that they can deny a penny sale if it's expired. And I think some of this stuff might have, because it's been through the clearance event the last couple times. If it shows up like this for you in the app, when you scan the barcode 0.00, it should be a penny at the register. So definitely, during the clearance event, they might actually bring some of this food and put it on a table, and you might be able to find it that way as well. So watch my clearance event video. Lots of great information there. The store that we have is Meijer, which is in the Midwest only. Google if your store might have this. They don't have a sister store to Meijer, because Meijer is Meijer. It's not a Kroger. Now we have this really great deal for the $1.99 Arm & Hammer. It has to be this specific one. Now this is where I'm going to ask you guys to really pay attention, because all the bottles look identical. This one is the baking soda fresh, 110 fluid ounces or 110 loads for $9.99, and currently it's buy one, get one free. Now I'm not sure if this is a newer product or what the story is, but you would grab 2 of these on the buy one, get one free and pay $10 for both. And just to give you eyes, like, what's the bottle look like? Here it is. And really pay attention that you're grabbing the right one. Again, because all the bottles look very, very identical in this line. I don't know what it is. I sometimes do that too. I'll just grab whatever, thinking I'm grabbing the right one. And why you want to grab the exact specific one is that IBOTTA has a rebate currently. That's $3 back with a limit of 2. So you're going to get $6 back. You're not using any coupons with this. So go to Meijer, buy 2 of these, get a receipt, photograph it to IBOTTA. You're going to get $6 back. So it's going to make each $1.99 each. So again, just to jog you through the deal, 2 of these for $9.99. Pay for it and then you're going to photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back. So it makes it $3.99 for the 2 or $1.99 per. Special shout out and thank you to Rolling Coupon Moms over on Instagram. We were kind of nerding out about this deal this morning, and yep, it's fantastic for these large bottles for $1.99. Let you guys know this is the last week to use this specific coupon, the 5 off $25 basket on P&G items. They released a whole bunch of new coupons, and I'm going to let you guys know I have a couple store cards. I've already used both. I did it, I think, last week. And so just make sure that if you are going to do this, that this coupon, along with your manufacturers are attaching, use the shop and scan to ensure that you're on the right page. I think they also have like a spend 100, get a $10 coupon back. This is my basket from last week. It was just a little $25 basket. The Mr. Clean Hawaii was on clearance for like, I think $4.47. We had a $2 digital, making it $2.47, and it was attaching with the spend 25, get 5 off. But this whole basket was like $10. If some of the coupons are still valid, if you wanted to try to emulate this deal, go for it. But I think there's also a 5 off of a $13.99 Tide that would make the basket much better as well. If you are curious about Dollar General clearance event shopping, watch the video linked right here, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.